So today, I've got a great video for you guys. I'm really excited about this one. I teamed up with Pacsun to show you guys some of my favorite picks that are on their website. Basically what I did was I went through their site and I picked out a few different outfits because Pacsun is honestly a great place to shop and they have so many different brands, but it's still curated well. It's a given that Pacsun is gonna have a big Black Friday sale. They do every single year. So basically I'm gonna kind of highlight some of the items that are available right now that you can get either right now or on Black Friday, whatever it is. And I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. I'll talk about that more at the end of the video, but you definitely wanna be following me over there for your chance to win a Pacsun gift card. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Let me show you guys what I got in here. It's definitely at least 2 or 3 different pairs of sneakers and a lot of clothing. So I'm excited about this one. Let's get into it. Eeny, meeny, miny. All right, awesome. Right on the top, we've got something good. You probably recognize that logo. I have been slacking on some of the Tommy Hilfiger stuff that has released. So I really had been eyeing a lot on the Pacsun website, and I'm so glad that they carry this brand, and I think that there's a couple Tommy items in here. We'll see, but I know that this crew neck right here, boy, this thing is what's up. Check out that classic Tommy Hilfiger flag logo on the front. This is all embroidered. On the left sleeve, it says sailing gear. I can't spend too much time on each one of these items because I have a lot to show you, but that crew neck starting things off. Next up, like I have mentioned before, Pacsun makes great denim, and I grabbed a few pairs. These are not a pair of khakis. This is a pair of denim, but it's in a khaki color. That is great. I like khakis a lot, but they don't have that same fit and structure that denim has. I like it when my jeans stack, and khakis, sometimes it's difficult to get that look. So this is a pair of active stretch denim that has that khaki color, but it's denim. These type of pants look perfect with like a blue denim jacket where you don't really want to be wearing full blue denim. This breaks up the color a little bit. Right out of the packaging, this seems super soft, so the quality is nice. These are gonna be comfortable, and it's an affordable price as well. Gotta keep it moving though. We've got more Tommy Hilfiger, and I saw this fleece collection that they dropped. Check this out, bro. So this is relatively simple. The material and the color is really the standout for this. You've got that classic Tommy flag on the left side, really small, and then there is a TJ at the end of the sleeve for Tommy jeans. Quarter zip. I needed a little bit of red in my outerwear game, even though you can wear this by itself. Like, this is definitely more of a jacket, and this is not the last item that I got from like this fleece collection. Next up, flannel game. Flannel season, you know what it is. I have like 15 different flannels right now, and now I've got 16. Pacsun makes their own flannels. I love flannels that have a strong red accent to them. This particular plaid design is white, black, and red. So this will look great with like some Timbs or a pair of sneakers that have like that bread colorway. I can already tell that this is gonna fit me great. A lot of times flannels are too short for me. This has a generous, roomy fit, and these are super affordable. They're like $39.99, if not cheaper. I'm sure on Black Friday there's gonna be a deal on flannels. Next up, got another pair of denim, and this is just straight black. I'm wearing black denim right now, but it's slightly distressed. I wanted a clean, simple pair of black denim. This is the stacked skinny fit denim. So basically this has a long skinny fit, and it's slightly longer than normal to give you that stacked look, which is what I really like. I don't want my pants to be like totally sprayed on. I want there to be some stacking going on, whether the pants are distressed or just straight up plain like this. I've got a lot of distressed denim, so I'm looking for more so plain denim like such. All of this stuff is gonna be linked for you guys down in the description. So make sure you check there if you wanna buy any of this, and for the Black Friday deals, depending on when you watch this video, I'll make sure to update the description and post whatever the deal is there. As soon as it's available, I'll post. So any sizing questions you have as well, feel free to ask me in the comment section. All right, so we've got another Tommy Hilfiger item, and this one is crazy. This one is super crazy. It is this bright yellow hoodie. This thing is gonna keep you as warm as it gets. It is thick stuff. This is not a lightweight hoodie. You could literally wear this as a jacket if you wanted to. So Tommy jeans doing their thing. Make sure you let me know down in the comment section which one of these items you like best. And actually, you know what? Let's jump into this other box real quick before I show you guys the rest of those things. There are 3 more items in here, and then I think at least 1 or 2 pairs of shoes in this box. So let's dive in here right quick. You know there's no way I'm doing a Pacsun video and not including a pair of Vans. You guys already know the deal. I've been feeling the Skate High Anaheim edition, and I just saw that they dropped this new colorway. So the official colorway on these Skate Highs is OG Dark. This is just a super smooth gray to me. There's 2 new Anaheim colors that I'll link for you guys down in the description. This one is just gray, white, and black, and the other is definitely more of a fall vibe. It's got like this dark brown and navy color to it. I really like those, and I really like these as well. This is gonna be more of like an essential sneaker for me. This will go with pretty much anything that I wanna wear. A lot of you guys have been telling me to get into Vans Vault, and I'm just not there yet. I'll cop those at some point, but these Anaheims are just a step up from the standard Vans models. Another pair of Vans in the collection. It's never a bad day when you acquire a new pair of Vans, but that is not the only sneaker we've gotten here. We also have a pair of Adidas. It's definitely one of the best affordable sneakers that has released recently. Some of you guys probably have these, and we've got the Adidas Originals Continental 80 in just the basic white, navy, and red color. I kind of view this sneaker aesthetically just like a Stan Smith. It's a simple white sneaker, very essential, but the leather on this one is substantially better than most of the Stan Smiths that I own. I can't wait to rock this thing. It looks very similar to the Yeezy Power Phase, and the leather is right on par with those. 80 bucks for these things is definitely a deal, and that will not be the last pair of Continental 80s that I get. I just wanted to start off with this basic color. Finally, one of the best basic essential sneakers that you can buy right now. Next up, real quick, this is another pair of skinny fit stacked denim, and I own a pair of these that is just slightly lighter. This is more of a blue color, and yeah, I just wanted to grab these as well, kind of make the trifecta. I got the khaki, I got the black, and then I got the classic blue denim. None of them are distressed. They're all the skinny fit stacked jeans. I really like these from Pacsun. So if you need more denim, definitely check these out. You will see these in some of my lookbooks and more videos in the future. Definitely some of the best affordable denim that you can buy right now. This denim and these shoes are gonna go together so nicely. Then just throw on any t-shirt or any top I've shown you in this video, and that is gonna be a look. Like, I already know that this Tommy Hilfiger crewneck, these Adidas, and then this Pacsun denim is gonna look so good together. You'll see me wearing that, maybe something on top of it like a top coat or an overcoat, just because it's a little bit cold right now. All right, so let me know if you knew about this collaboration, because I did not. Wrangler, the denim company, did a collaboration with Vans. I had no clue. Come on, man, how did I not know that? That's ridiculous. So I saw this and was like, whoa, where did that come from? And obviously I added it to cart. You've got a dark blue denim jacket, and then on the inside is that classic Vans checkerboard pattern. And that runs all through the inside, and I believe on the inside of the sleeve. Yes, it does. This is just a cool added detail in my opinion, and it is a denim jacket color that I don't own. I don't have any that are this dark and true of a blue. This is definitely a cool addition to my denim jacket game, and it's affordable. You're not breaking the bank on this jacket. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna throw it on soon. I would have worn that today if I had it a little bit sooner. Brett Favre is definitely happy about that jacket. Okay, so last up, we are ending with more Tommy Hilfiger. This hoodie is where it's at. And I wish that I was able to iron some of this stuff, but you know, I don't really do unboxings like this where it's crazy and I'm just throwing things everywhere, and I kind of just felt like doing that. Hopefully you guys are okay with it. This sweatshirt right here is not slacking on the details. This is also part of the sailing gear collection, and pretty much everywhere you look on this sweatshirt, there is some kind of logo or details. On the left sleeve, it says Tommy Jeans embroidered in there. It also says sailing gear, small Tommy logo on the left side of the kangaroo pouch. On the left side of the chest, there is a sailing patch and the back of this hoodie. Check this out, this is wild. It says Tommy Hilfiger Jeans 45, pretty large in the back there. And I think it's cool. Anytime there's like a 90s style sweatshirt or big logo thing like this, it draws my attention in. Like polo stuff, Nautica stuff, Guess stuff, you know, stuff I was wearing when I was a kid is just really cool to me, and it's kind of nostalgic. And this Tommy stuff reminded me of when I was younger. I didn't have tons of Tommy stuff when I was a kid, but I had a couple things. Again, guys, all this stuff is linked down in the description if you want to grab any of it. Let's get into that giveaway real quick. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm at Eddie Win Kicks. Also follow me on Twitter and Snapchat while you are at it, but the giveaway is gonna be on Instagram, and it's gonna be a gift card. So definitely make sure you give me a follow over there if you wanna enter the contest for a little gift card action from Pacsun. That is a wrap on this video though. Make sure you hit the thumbs up one time, subscribe if you're new. Huge shout out to Pacsun. Make sure you check them out on Black Friday for deals, and it doesn't even have to be Black Friday. They always have good stuff. So check them out. That's a wrap here. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.